It's just a trickle here at the moment, but many believe it could become a deluge. Yemen confirmed its first case on Friday, and the government's response has been one of denial and helplessness.
We call upon aid organizations to provide us with more protection equipment and ventilators, because if the virus spreads, we will have shortages here. Now, we can only admit 50 patients here. There aren't enough beds.
The pandemic is only one of many problems facing Yemen at the moment. It's fighting a civil war, and the World Health Organization says it currently has the biggest outbreak of cholera in the world, with 1.4 million cases. Medical facilities have been attacked, and few Yemenis have access to clean drinking water and sanitation systems. The UN has called the situation the worst humanitarian disaster in the world.
On average, a child under the age of 5 dies of preventable causes in Yemen every 10 minutes.
That's why some doctors have taken matters into their own hands.
We're a group of medical volunteers here at Hangar Point, which is the only entrance into the city. We test all people who want to come in. If we notice corona symptoms, a high temperature for example, we call the emergency workers to transfer the suspected cases to hospitals.
Locals are doing what they can and are already preparing for the worst.
If they can't control cholera, how can they control a pandemic like coronavirus, which major powers around the globe haven't been able to contain? We're trying to raise the awareness of our children. We're explaining the risks of this virus to them and how to protect themselves from it. We tell them to stay at home and never approach crowded areas. We tell them to wear masks and disinfect their bodies. They need to care about their personal hygiene as much as possible.
Despite these preparations, Yemen is ill-equipped to face a pandemic. The UN warns that without international aid, it will overwhelm the country. Shoaib Hasan, TRT World.